Just name?
It's my nigga C-Do, you heard? On his R&B shit, up and coming. We gonna show y'all the before and after, you heard? Let's get it popping. Let them hear something.
It's one or two things that can happen at this time of the hour. So baby, after we get out the shower, I'ma race you to the bed, turn off all the lights and light some candles instead. Oh yeah, I can hear your body calling me, yeah. Oh yeah, 'cause we gon' get freaky, you know. Darling, you know what time it is. Get it in, I'ma do it all. We ain't gonna stop till it's 9 a.m. If you can't take it, baby, say when. Lick your body over and over again. And I'll leave it, 'cause we can do it all night. We can do it all night. I'ma give it to you all night. So right, girl. We can do it all night, girl. We can do it all night, baby, all night, yeah. All night, we can do it all night. I'm gonna give it to you all night, so right, girl. Don't you be on that bullshit, yeah, yeah. Don't you be on that bullshit, yeah, yeah. Don't you be on that bullshit, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You heard?
You already know. Up and coming, about to get it popping.